Hello guys, good morning everyone. Here is Yusuf Ashibli with you on another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be show you how to do the motion tracking by using Blender. So in the previous video I show you that how can I make a ball, and while I'm implementing the ball, after that I go to the ball bouncing. So I do a two video on that. The first one is to implement the ball, and the second one is to bouncing the ball. And in this tutorial I will going to do the motion tracking using two video here, and I have this video right off here. So on this video I'm going to track this video by adding some markers here. I will going to show you that later, and I have here this video also. Green screen on the background, and I will be put this robot to dancing on this video. So how can I do that? Let me first open Blender by typing Blender here. So now I open my Blender. So on the previous video I don't have a microphone, so that's why my voice is not clear too much, but today I brought a microphone, so this microphone will help me to clear my voice. Okay, so let's get started. This square I have to delete it, press enter, and here at the top here I can see the default. I have to change this into motion tracking, so I have to choose this motion tracking. Here in the motion tracking I will select my video. So where is my video? It's in the desktop, and this is here. It's called home background. So I will choose it and I will open it by pressing open clip. So here is my video right here. I will going to click into prefetch, let it finish, just I will wait a few minutes. Okay, then I will click into set season frames, so I can see something different happens here. Okay, so now I will going to do the motion tracking by pressing into this, which is add button, and I will do the tracking into different place. I will put the markers into different place. For example, the first one I will put it here by pressing add, and then I will add a marker. I can change something here. I will put it into a darker place. So this, I think it's a good place to put the marker because it's so dark. And the best place also to put the marker is that I have to put the marker at the corners. It's the best place for putting the markers. I will discuss with you later about that. So I'm going to add another one here. So yes, I will put it here, and then also another one here. I will put it here, and now I'm going to test this marker, for example. Yes, I test that. Just now I have to wait a few minutes for finishing the test. So let me play the video now. So I can see that this marker which I tested, it's working fine. So I will stop the video and I will be back at the beginning, and I'm going to test this marker now by pressing this button. So okay, I have no issue with that. So now let me play the video again. Yes, I can see these markers are tracking the video. So I'm going to stop it. I will be back at the beginning. Let me test this marker now by pressing this button. Can see these three markers are tracking the video, but I have here a single marker that I don't test it. So let me test that by going back at the beginning, and I will click at the marker right of here, and I'm going to click at this button to test it. So yes, so I have now 4 markers only. I need at least to make 8 markers. At least, at the minimum, I have to add 8 markers. So right now I have only 4. I will add another 4. Okay, let me play the video now. Yes, I can see that the markers are tracking the video. Okay, I will be back at the beginning, and I will put the other marker here at this place. Also, I will make a square right of here. I will put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here at this place. So let me press into add to add a marker, and I will add it here. Okay, I'll put it here in the corner, and I will press this button to test it. Okay, let me play the video again. I will minimize it a little bit, and I will play it again. Yes, so now I can see that all markers are tracking the video. So, and now I need to add 3 more markers. So I will click into add and I will put it here. Put it at the corner, and I will going to test it by clicking this button. Sorry. Okay, I will play the video again. Just I will minimize it a little bit. So yes, I can see that I have 6 markers that tracking the video. I have to add now just 2 more markers. So I will stop the video and I will be back at the beginning, and I will add 1 marker at this place. Okay, I will put it here. Yes, at the darker place, and I will going to test it by clicking this button. Okay. So I will play the video again. So now it's 1 left. I will add 1 here at this place. Let me click into add and I will add it here. Yes, it's okay now. I'm going to test this marker. Okay, so I'm done with this. Let me play the video again. I can see now that I have 8 markers, so I'm done with the markers. I can see that these all markers are tracking the video. So let me go to the other step. So now I will going to click into solve camera to see how many errors did I have. So I have 4 errors, 4.5, so it's more. I need to put this error into, I need to decrease it into 0 point something like that, but it's better if I put it all as a 0. So let me show you how can I decrease this. Here at this place I can see these markers and I can see the error that they have. So I can see at this in the marker 2, if I click into marker 2, yes, this is the marker 2, and I have 7.8 error. So I will put it, for example, at this place, and I will going into track. After that I will click at this button to test it. Yes, so again I will wait for it to finish. me check the error now. Solve camera. Yes, so I decrease it. I have now 1.0. So I will going to check another marker. So this marker, for example, I have here 1.2. So what if I put it at this place? Let me see what's happened. I will go into track and then I will press this button to test the marker. So what's happened here? It's not working with me. So I will put it here at this place and I will click this to test it. Okay, just I have to wait a few minutes. Okay, now I'm going to click at the solve camera. Still I have this number of error. So let me check another marker, for example this. It's not showing anything here. No, just I will remove. Let's see this marker, yes. So on this marker, I'm going to put this, for example, at this place. Then I'm going to click track, and then I will press this button. So let me put it here. Just let me play the video again. Okay. I will go at this place and I will click into this button to test the marker or to track the marker. Okay, so let me play the video again. Okay, I will go back to solve and then I will click to solve. So it's increased. Before it's less than this error. So I will go at this marker again and I will put it here at this place. Click this button to track the marker. Actually this it will take too much time. I have to spend more time to make it to decrease the error, the solve error. So I have to work hard on this. solve camera again. Yes, I get 0.9 now. So I decrease the error. So actually, as I'm a beginner, it's enough for me if it's 0 point something like that. So I'm done with the first part of motion tracking. I can see here that the solve error is 0.9963, and it's enough. It's good because it's less than 1, because I have to put it less than 1. So it's good for me now. Let me play the video and I show you how can the markers tracking the video. So you can see now. Okay, so I'm done with the first part of motion tracking. Let me save this. I'm going to save as, and on the save as I can go yes, last project, and I'm going to rename this. I will type, for example, Joseph tracking 1, because it's video 1, it's part 1. Okay, and then I will go into save as Blender file. I will click into save. So now I save my work. If I go into that place, desktop, okay, into last semester, visual effects and 3D animation, last project. Yes, I can see it here, Joseph tracking 1. So I'm done with the first part. I will see you at the next video to show you how can I add the different nodes in the on this video to combine that two video, which is the robot dancing. I will be put the robot dancing at this place on this video. So I will combine the two video by using Blender. I will go to show you that on the next video. So see you next time. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning student, good morning everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to discuss with you the second part of motion tracking. So in the second part of motion tracking I'm going to compositing the two video which I'm showing to you in the previous video, the home background video, which is this, and the dancing robot video. So I'm going to compositing now using Blender on this video tutorial. So let me show you. I'm going to follow these steps. So these steps will help me to get a good job. So first of all, I'm going to create the plane track. So how can I do that? I'm going into plane track and then I will click into create plane track. So I create it now. So I have here the plane track. So by default it's giving for me this square, and it's choosing and it's identify 4 markers by default. So let me go into other step. Into this step I have to switch the motion tracking to compositing. So here the motion tracking, I'm going to choose this compositing. So as can I see here, I have to check use node and backdrop. Okay, and by default I have here render layer and compositing, but I don't need this render layer, so I'm going to delete it. I will delete this render layer and I have only now the compositing. So let me check the other step. Click use node and backdrop. I already click it and I delete the render layer. So in the step 14, from the menu click add input movie clips. So I'm going into add input movie clips. Okay, I add the movie clips here. So I can see here the home background video So if I don't see the home background video here, I have to add it by going this, and in the desktop I have to choose the home background video. So that's how can I add the home background video if I don't see it here. Okay, let's go to other step. In the movie clip node, open the video used from motion tracking. So I'm done with that part. So I have to connect the output image of the movie clip node to the input image of compositing node. Okay, so I have to do that by going here like this. Okay, so I'm done with this part. From the menu, click add color alpha over. So I have to add the alpha over by clicking node, add input, then where is the alpha over? Okay, let me check once again. Add color alpha over. So I'm going to add, then color alpha over. So I have to put the alpha over here. Okay, let me check the other step. Color alpha over, yes. Place the alpha over node in between movie clips node and the compositing node. So here is told me that Blender will automatically connect them. So let me check that if it's automatically connect them or not. So I will paste the alpha over between them and it's automatically connect them. Okay, so in the part on or in the step 19, from the menu, click add, search plane track deform. So I have to click into add. Then if I don't see anything which I want here, I have to search it from this. So I have to search plan track data form. So I will put the plan data track plan track deform here, and on plan track deform I have to connect the image. Yes, I have to connect the output image of plan track deform into image of alpha over. So let me do that. Okay, that's fine as it's shown here in this picture. Choose the background video where motion tracking was. So I had to choose here the home background video. So I'm going here, click this, desktop, and then home background. I click open clips. So I'm done with that part. So here I have to click into camera and then here plan track. Okay, yes, I have to do that. So I done with it. Okay, so now I have to add these all nodes are working with the dancing robot, which is having a background green screen. So I have to add them. So from the menu, select add input image. So I have to go into add, then input, then image. I have to put it here. I will put it here. Okay, so I have to click this open and then desktop, and I'm going to choose here the dancing robot video, which is this. So I'm going to click open image. So I can see here the dancing robot. Okay, let me go back again. Okay, so I already done with the step 24. I'm going to now I'm going to 25. Sorry for that. So from the menu, select add, search keying. So what's the keying do? Add, then I will search for keying. So I have here chroma key and keying. So the chroma key is working with only green screen background. So if I want to remove that green screen background, I have to go into chroma key. and the keying is working with green screen, blue screen, and other colors. So I'm going to choose keying. I will put it here. Then let me scroll this a little bit down. Okay, so let me check for other step. Okay, then connect the output image of the image node. The output image of the image node, and then this is the output image of the image node to the input image of keying. So I have to do that now. So I'll put this here and this here. I will have to connect this image, output image, into this, so I connect them. So let me check for the other step. I have to now to connect this output image from keying into input image of blend track deform, as it's shown here. Connect the output image of keying node to the input image of blend track deform. Okay, let me just keep this here. Okay, so this image into this image, this into this. Yes, now I'm connecting them. So I have this now. Let me check for the other step. Okay, from the menu, select add search keying not. Now here I already add the keying. So here I think I have to add the viewer. So I'm going to add viewer. I'm going to add, then search for viewer. So I will add viewer here at this place. So what can I do then? It's showing for me this X here. You can't see it, but now it's removed. So I have to go into file, user preference, into add-ons, and then I have to scroll down. Yes, and yes, I have to check this. I already check it. Save user settings, refresh, and then like this. Okay, so what I have to do then? So I have to connect output image of alpha over node to the input image of viewer. Okay, so the output image of alpha over node to the input image of, yeah. So I will put this here and I will connect this into this. Yes, and I get the green screen of robot here. I can see it. So this is too much big. I have to make it small a little bit by pressing fit, and I can see here this. Yes. Okay, so I'm done with this part. Let me check if I missed something. No, so it's okay. So I'm done with this part. Let me save this. Save as. Okay, I'm going to type here 2. Joseph tracking 2 slash okay 2 Joseph tracking 2, and I'm going to save it. Save. Okay, so I'm done with this. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time. Hello, good morning everyone. Here is Joseph Ashibli with you in another video. So in this video I'm going to do the last part of motion tracking. So here is my blender. So I have here the robot dancing. So if I want to refresh this page, I have to uncheck this backdrop and click it again. So what can I do now? So first of all, I'm going to change this robot video. I found another video which is better. So I'm going to choose this video. So I think it's better than that. So I'm going to use this video. So let me show you how can I change that. So I'm going to click onto this, and after that I have to go into desktop. So actually now I am in the desktop. Then I will go into man dancing. So this is the video which I want to use, and I have to check it, then open image. So I change that. So I'm going to refresh it again. Okay, so I get that back, and I stopped into the step 31. So in step 31 I stopped. So I'm going to change the background color. So first I'm going into keying. So as I told you earlier, that there is a chroma key and there is a keying. Keying, it's better than chroma key, because keying, it's remove green screen, blue screen, and other colors. But chroma key, it's only moving or removing the green screen only. So I have to go into keying and then click into key color. After that I'm going to click onto this and I will choose this color. Okay, so it's removed. Okay, so it's removed. And then I'm going to check the other step. So in the step 32 I have to go into, from the menu, select add, search hue saturation value. So I'm going to select hue saturation value, and where should I put it? Put the hue saturation value node between keying node and the image node. So between the man dancing and the keying. So let me add, click into add, search, and I will paste that. I will select it and I will put it here between keying and image. Okay, so I get that. Okay, and now I will move into step 31. Yes, I do that. So into step 33. Okay, so in step 33 from the menu select add, search bright contrast. So I'm going to select bright contrast. Put the bright contrast node between keying node and plane track deform. Okay, so this is the plane track deform, and I will put it here between keying and plane track deform. Yes, between keying and plane track deform. So add, search, best, and I will put this here. Yes, so I get that. And then I have to change something here, that the frame, as you can see here, the start frame is 1, and that's the default. So I have to change the frames. So what can I do here? First of all, I have to go back into motion tracking. So on this video I can see a big square here. So this square is too much big. So if I play my video, if I render my video, I will get a big video, a big robot, because it will playing on this square. So I have to resize this square. How can I resize it? So for me to resize it, I have to click into right click at the mouse and then move it back. Yes, like that. I have to move it back at the back and resize it. This also. Okay, I have to click it, still click it, and then I will resize it like this. Okay, and this also. So I move it at the back a little bit, and here also. Yes, like this. So I resize it, I make it a little bit small. So let me go back again. No, I will just play the video to see what number of frame I have to choose. Let me play the video. Okay. Okay, I will stop it. It's 149. So I will play the robot until it's 149. I will make it 150. Can I make it better? Yes, so I will make it 160. Let it be 160. So the video, it will be a little bit long video. So let me go back into compositing. So let me check the step 34, render the composites. So I will not render it now. I have to do some changes first. So on the start frame it will be 1, and the frames it will be 160 as I told you earlier, and I will click into enter. Then I have to do some changes here. Okay, so what have I do now? Into the, where is that? I think it's here. Yes, so it's here. Into the output, I will click into that file and I will choose the place where should I want to output the video. So I will be put it into desktop. So this is the desktop. So I'm going to click into accept. Okay, and also I have to make some changes there. Yes, so here into this PNG I have to change it, and I have to click into FFmpeg video. So why should I do that? I should do that because if I let it as a default, if I let it be as a default, which is PNG, the output will be as a picture. As I let me show you this. So the output will be like this. So you can see here that the output is only a picture when I render it. So I will make it as FFmpeg. Okay, and then I have to go into encode and click into this, and I will make it as MB4. So I will select that. After that, I think that I get everything. So let's play the video now. So let me render it. So I have to click into render animation, and then I have to wait. It will take a lot of time to render. After rendering, it will show me the full output of my work. Okay, so I have to be patient and I have to wait. Okay, what I'm doing now, it's rendering, because you can see I have a green screen video and I have a home background video, and that's what's happening at the movies. For example, I will give you a little example, such as the movies of James Bond 007, the Skyfall, I think it's Skyfall movie. At the beginning of the movie, James Bond or 007 are fighting with his enemy. on the top of the train, and while the train moving, so it's so dangerous for them if they are really fight at the top of the train. So what they are doing, so what they are did, they are fighting in a green background screen. Yes, they have a room, and at the room, on that room, they have a green screen, and they are fighting there. After that, they get that video of the green screen, and they get another video of moving the train, while the train moving, and they are compositing that two video, they combining that two video, and they got the fully output which we saw at the movie. So that's what happened. So now let me be a little bit patient, because it will take a lot of time to render. So after that, I will get this video here. So it's processed now. So while I'm rendering it, you can see that the robot is moving. That's because I changed the frame. If I'm not changing the frame, the robot will be staying at his place only. Yes, so it's finished now. Let me see the video. My output video is this. Yes, so I get the video. So this is my output. I can see the robot is dancing. Okay, so let me save my work. I click into file and then save as, and then I will going into this place. So I will name it as final output. Final output. Yes, I think like this. Final output. Yes, I think it's like this. I forgot the spelling of output. So I will click into save as Blender. So I save it now. Final output. And this is my video. You can see it here. Let me just check. Yes, so I get it here. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time.